Question 3. So there is a pattern. When I have 10 to the power of 1, it will just be 10. How about 10 to the power of 2? Well, 10 to the power of 2 is 10 times 10, so I'm going to get 100. And 10 to the power of 3 will be 10 times 10 times 10. I already know 10 times 10 is 100. So 100 times 10 is 1,000. So there is a pattern between the number of 0 and the exponent. When I have only one 0, the exponent is also 1. When the exponent is 2, we end up with 2 zeros, right? Just 1 with 2 zeros. And you see the pattern already. When the exponent is 3, we end up with 1 with 3 zeros. So there is a pattern for 10 to the power of an exponent. So we are going to use this pattern to answer these questions. 100 will just be 10 to the power of 2 because there are 2 zeros. B is 1,000. So 1,000, there are 3 zeros. So our answer will be 10 to the power of 3. And 10,000, there's 4 zeros. So 10 to the power of 4. And finally, D, we have 1 million. There's 6 zeros. So it can be expressed as 10 to the power of 6. Question 4. So just need to rewrite these in terms of a power. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Because we are multiplying 2 4 times, we can say it's 2 to the power of 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. This time we have 2 to the power of 3 because there are 3 2's. And 3 to the power of 2, or 3 squared. Whenever something is raising to the power of 2, is also called square. C, 2 times 5 times 2 times 5 times 2. The order does not really matter when we are timesing. So this is 2 to the power of 3 because there are 3 2's, and 5 squared because there are 2 5's. D, 6 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 6. So we have 6 squared times 7 to the power of 3. That's it for question 4. I will also do question 5. Large number in product form. So just the opposite from question 4. We have 2 times 2 because of the 2 square, and then times 3 times 3. So I just like to rearrange them from smallest to biggest. But again, when you're timesing, the order doesn't really matter. So 5 squared is 5 times 5, and 6 to the power of 3 is 6 times 6 times 6. Negative 2 squared times 5 to the power of 3. So this is negative 2 times 2. So notice that this negative is just outside. It doesn't belong to the base because there's no brackets. 2 squared is just 2 times 2, and 5 to the power of 3 will be 5 times 5 times 5. The negative 2 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 3. This time, because of the bracket, you can see that the base is negative 2. So negative 2 times 2, negative 2, because this is negative 2 squared, and then times 5 times 5 times 5. And that's it. That's question 3 4 5. I will see you in question 6.